What is difference between the regression testing and retesting? Basically, this is the common interview question and it's usually asking for each and every interview. So let's try to understand the difference between regression testing and retesting. So retesting is done to make sure that bug fix and the failed functionality is working fine or not. So once the tester report issue and developer fix that issue and gives back to the tester, and tester retesting that issue to ensure that whatever he reported it's working fine or not. That's called the retesting. So this is kind of verification method followed in testing field for a fixed bug. Wherever regression testing is re-execution of the test cases for unchanged part of system to ensure that the unchanged area, unchanged functionality is working fine or not. So with new functionality added in your system, you ensure that all your unchanged area are working fine or not. That's called the regression testing. Retesting is done for the failed test cases, while regression testing is done for past tests. You, as I explained that once your test case failed, you report bug. You check that once the developer fix that issue. That's called the retesting. That's why it's called the uh, done for the failed test cases. While regression testing is all your past test cases you are executing to ensure that it's again getting passed or not. We should always keep this in mind. The regression testing is uh, lower importance than the retesting, where retesting is higher importance because you have reported issue, you have reported problem. So first you have to ensure that your reported problem is solved or not. But in a system quality, in a to uh, see quality perspective or to see the higher level of the project perspective, that both are equally important. So you should not ignore any of this testing.